Real estate investing is still profitable, but only if you're playing the right game. Over the past couple of years, demand for investment properties hasn't changed. What has changed is the holding cost. With rising holding cost, negative economic headlines, and our socialist BC-NDP government is pushing investors out of the market. But here's what most people miss. In times of fear and uncertainty, opportunity shows up for those folks that are willing to take it. In today's market, investors are facing less competition and more negotiating power, and in some cases, better deals on solid properties. In today's video, these are the two things that we're going to cover. Number one, the mindset investors need to be successful. Number two, the top reasons why it still makes sense investing in the real estate market. Welcome to my channel. My name is Dhindsa and I'm an Abbotsford realtor. If this is your first time on our channel, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe button so we can keep bringing more valuable content like this to you. Being a successful investor doesn't mean that you have more education or more money to buy certain types of investment properties, but it's actually quite different. What it takes to be a successful investor in today's market is having a long-term investor's mindset. Here's what I mean, folks. Most people that lose money in real estate are those people that aren't investing for the long term and are looking to make a quick buck. A long-term investor is someone who buys a quality 1-bedroom or 2-bedroom condo, townhome, or detached homes with the hopes of holding on to it for a minimum of 8 to 10 years. In that meantime, you ride out the waves of the real estate market that come every month or each year. Also, in the meantime, you have a tenant that's helping you pay down your monthly mortgage. Next, let's break down the top reasons why real estate is still one of the best investments in today's market. Number one, opportunity. In today's slower market, investors have an opportunity to enter a market where they're facing less competition and are looking to purchase either a 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom condo, townhome, or detached home at a lower purchase price than they would be paying in a market that is representing a seller's market condition. With less competition, more listings, motivated buyers, first-time investors have an opportunity to enter the market and look around for deals that make sense for them. In your case, if you're a first-time investor, the first investment that you'll probably most likely make is a 1-bed or 2-bedroom condo. And in most cases, it might be buying your principal residence. Here's what I mean. I help a lot of first-time home buyers here in the Abbotsford real estate market and in the Fraser Valley. And what I tell my clients during a first consultation is educating them the benefits of owning your own home. And what happens is if you own your own home, you have an opportunity to expand your real estate portfolio down the road. Here's what I mean. Suppose you buy a 1-bed, 1-bath condo, you live in it for the first couple of years, and then when you need more living space, now you can either buy a townhome or a detached home. And what you can do with this condo is turn it into an investment condo. Number two, leverage. One of the biggest advantages that real estate offers is that you can utilize leverage. And here's what I mean. You can do a down payment of 20% of the purchase price for the investment property, and the bank will lend you the remainder. You can't do that in the stock market or even when you're buying your favorite coffee from your local coffee shop. Once you use leverage and buy that investment property, one of your next steps should be finding the right tenant. Once you have a tenant that lives in your home, they're helping you pay down your monthly mortgage. In a nutshell, real estate gives you an opportunity to control a large asset with a smaller investment. Number three, appreciation. One of the things that you need to understand as a first-time investor is that you're not investing for cash flow here in the Lower Mainland or the Fraser Valley. Cash flow is non-existent. But one of the main reasons why you're investing in real estate is to take advantage of price appreciation. So here's what I mean, folks. Imagine if you buy a 1-bed, 1-bath condo here today in Abbotsford that's built between 2007 and 2012. You're probably looking at a purchase price between $370,000 to $390,000. If you hold on to that investment for a minimum of 8 to 10 years, it will go up in price based on the historical price appreciation we've seen in the past. Long-term appreciation is one of the main benefits investors take owning local real estate. Do you want more information about what it's really like living and investing in the Abbotsford real estate market? Download my free informational guide below. Number four, you're building long-term wealth through being in the market, owning a quality piece of real estate where you have a tenant helping you pay down your monthly mortgage. Not only that, folks, but you have a tangible asset that you can touch, see, and feel. Many of the investors that I talk and help each year always tell me their favorite investment just because it's a tangible asset. Owning an investment property isn't about getting rich quick, but it's about building wealth over the long term. With every mortgage payment that you make and every year that passes, you're getting closer and closer to owning that property outright. Once your mortgage is paid off and it's clear title, you sit back and collect passive income from your monthly rent checks. Number 5, markets always recover. In a 12-month cycle, if I was to draw a line about how the local real estate market looks like, it would look like a zigzag line going up and down. But if you zoom out and look at it from a long-term perspective, you will notice that real estate prices always go up. So if you are looking to invest in real estate, remember my golden holding rule that you should hold on to that investment property for a minimum of 8 to 10 years. So what does this mean for you? If you're thinking about buying your first investment property, this might be the right time and opportunity for you to enter the market. But one of the most important things that you need as an investor is working with the right realtor and right team. One of the best ways to get started is to reach out to a realtor like myself that can introduce you to different team members on my team. That includes a mortgage broker to help you get pre-approved, home inspector, an accountant, lawyer, and the list goes on. If you're thinking about buying an investment property in today's market, it most likely means that you're looking to purchase a 1-bedroom or 2-bedroom condo. So in that case, click the video on the side because I'm going to walk you through the steps of finding the right investment condo that works for you. Let me know your thoughts below about what your thoughts are on our current investment market, or if you would consider making an investment right now. My name is Dhindsa, and I'll see you next time.